back to Vegas. We're seeking Vegas Sunrise, and this is our second time staying at the Fontainebleau. We previously stayed over Thanksgiving weekend, and we loved it so much we had to come back in January. So walking in, being January, our tier status had expired. So we got in the regular line, only to be told that we should go over to the gold line and then to the VIP check-in. We got to go through a double set of doors, check into the VIP lounge with wonderful service and a warm towel. They have drinks and snacks, and a shortcut to the elevators, which is the best part. Our room was on the 54th floor, and it was a Gold King Premier Strip View. Walking into the room, this was a little bit of a different layout from the last time we stayed here. You still have the controls as you walk in on the left side of the door. The bathroom is on the right. You still have a full double sink vanity, but here the shower is a large walk-in shower rather than the soaking tub of the other room. There's also a stool, and I found out on this trip that all of the toiletries are made by Bottega, so they smell amazing. You do get robes with the room, and a separated toilet area. This one even features a fan, which is pretty exciting for Vegas. Walking out into the room, you have a full-length mirror with 2 hooks, which we used for extra towels. The table is on the inside area of the room. There's plenty of connections for your computer and electronic devices. A large closet, slippers, steamer, and this room even came with an up and our way hoodie. F1 pit crew. Plenty of snacks to choose from. The mini bar is well stocked, and plenty of drinks. You have your cocktail supplies. And we learned this trip that this is really more of a drink cooler. It fits quite a few drinks, as you can see here. We also found out you can request a complimentary mini fridge during your stay that they'll bring up to your room. Plenty of drawers if you like to unpack during your stay. Couch, coffee table, an extra chair, so plenty of seating in this room. Bedside lamps. You also have full room controls next to the bed. The bed is super comfortable. I love the mini pillow. It's my favorite. And the best part of this room is really the incredible view. I mean, you can actually watch the Sphere from bed. So you have a full strip view, Resorts World, the Wynn, Circus Circus, the pool, and of course, the new Sphere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out our other Fontainebleau room tour. See you at sunrise.